Today I am going to discuss with you regarding supplements. What are supplements, whether they are beneficial to us or whether they are harmful to us. So today we will discuss regarding all this only. Let's start. मेरे पास लोग आते हैं जैसे हमें फिजिक बनानी है, हमें बॉडी बनानी है, बट हमें घर की दाल रोटी से बनानी है. We won't have supplements, we won't take supplements. Ask them why you won't take supplements. They say supplements are not natural, they are man-made, they are artificially made, they are artificially derived, they are unnatural, so it's not good for us. They have this kind of preconceived thought in their mind that something which is not natural, it's going to be harmful to them. Let me ask one question to you people. Snake poison is natural, it can kill you. Now is it good for you? There are certain kind of poisonous mushrooms in nature which can kill you. Now are they good for you? So this is a very wrong concept that something which is natural, it always has to be good for you, and something which is man-made, it always have to be bad for you. बिल्कुल गलत चीज़ है कि हमेशा जो चीज़ नेचुरल है वो आपके लिए अच्छी है और जो चीज़ मैन-मेड है वो खराब है. First thing is this. Second thing, people think that steroids and supplements, they are one and the same thing. No, they are not one and the same thing. They are different continents. They are two different planets. First, let me tell you what is a steroid. In human male body, there is a hormone known as testosterone, which is produced in male testes. It is responsible for muscle building. Now, if we are taking that male hormone testosterone from external source, if we are taking that male testosterone hormone through external source, then that external source becomes that steroid. But your supplements are not steroids, your supplements are not those hormones, they are different thing. Let me give you an example. Whey protein एक सप्लीमेंट है जो बहुत कॉमन है. मैं इसके बारे में आपको बताता हूँ क्या है whey protein first. We all have heard regarding mother milk. We all have heard regarding the great amount of benefits from mother milk. It is said to be very good for child's growth. It is उसको वैसा माना गया कि चाइल्ड बहुत स्ट्रांग हो जाता है मदर मिल्क से. बहुत बेनिफिट्स हैं मदर मिल्क के. लेकिन क्यों है? Have you ever thought कि why mother milk is so beneficial to us? It is so beneficial to us because it contains, your mother milk contains 60% of whey protein. Your mother milk contains 60% of whey protein. That's the reason it is so beneficial to us. अब जो supplements में जब हम बात करते हैं whey protein की, तो उसमें जो supplements में जो powder है whey protein वो कहाँ से आ रहा है? Of course it is not coming from your mother milk. It is coming from when the cow's milk is converted to paneer, the leftover water which is remaining, from that whey protein is derived. I repeat, when the cow milk is converted to paneer, the leftover water which is there, from that whey protein is derived. उसी से whey protein है, leftover water से बनता है supplements में. Supplements में जो आपके whey protein बन रहा है उसी leftover byproduct से बन रहा है. So whey protein is completely safe. It is great for building your immune system. It has a tremendous amount of immune building properties. It is great for increasing your muscle strength. It is great for giving you a toned body. It is perfectly safe. Coming to the third question, कुछ लोग मेरे पास आते हैं, they say that is it so important to take supplements? क्या हम बिना supplements के body नहीं बना सकते हैं? Definitely you can have. Definitely you can have. Example देता हूँ मैं. मान लीजिए आपको 100 ग्राम of protein चाहिए per day, and if you are a non-vegetarian, then you can have good amount of non-veg, you can have good amount of eggs, you can have good amount of dairy products. अगर आप whole foods के through अपना 100 ग्राम of protein पूरा कर सकते हैं, then you don't need supplements. But if you are a vegetarian and if you are traveling frequently, if you are eating food most of the time outside only, and if you are not getting that 100 gram of protein through your diet, then in that case it becomes a dire need. Supplements are not necessary if you can complete your daily protein intake through whole foods. But if you can't complete your daily protein intake through whole foods, then in that case it becomes a dire need, especially for vegetarians, especially for people who are traveling very frequently, especially for people who are eating always outside. So supplement is only an add-on. Some people think that supplements, they have magical contents inside them. Supplement khate hi they will become like John Abraham. Supplements khate hi they will become like Arnold. No, this is all shit. Supplements don't have any magical content inside them. till the time your diet is apt, till the time your diet is at place, supplements won't help. Supplements won't help till the time your diet is at place. नहीं supplements काम करेंगे. आपकी diet बहुत अच्छी होना जरूरी है. Overall diet, supplements they just add on. They don't have any magical content. Remember one thing, you just have to complete your daily protein intake. चाहे वो whole foods के through हो, चाहे वो supplements के through हो. Just you need to complete your daily protein intake. Supplement, they are just add on. They don't have any magical content, but they are definitely very beneficial to the human body. They have tremendous amount of human building. They have tremendous amount of human building properties. They can give you a toned body. They can make you muscular. They can give you great amount of benefits, especially if you are a vegetarian. So guys, this was my stand on protein. So sorry, on supplements. This was my stand on supplements. In my next video, I am going to discuss regarding lunges. What is lunges? Lunges क्या है? कौन सी एक्सरसाइज है lunges? कहाँ किस मसल ग्रुप को अफेक्ट करती है? और क्या गलत तरीका है lunges करने का? क्या सही तरीका है गलत उसको करने का? So in my next video, I am going to discuss regarding lunges. Till the time, stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe above. Bye bye. Have a nice day.